Welcome to CTVMAN. Here we would like to introduce a new generation of video doorbell for you. This series of doorbell with two color for option: black color, white color. Now let's take a look of its main features. Weatherproof for outdoor. Full HD 1 megapixel. Battery powered. SD card slot for storage. Two-way audio talk. PIR motion. This doorbell is real free of voice, support Wi-Fi connection to your network, easy operation. It is a weatherproof design case for outdoor, good for use for your garden, yard, etc. outdoor application area. Two-way audio talk between mobile and doorbell, real-time talk anytime, anywhere, under network. The doorbell is built in PIR sensor. You will have alarm notification when the sensor trigger. This Wi-Fi doorbell is using two pieces model 18650 rechargeable battery. No need to set up any cable during installation. Okay, now let's show you how to connect the camera. Doorbell camera.
We open the doorbell and install the battery. The apps in the smartphone is 2C. We add the device from here. Add the device. We go into the Wi-Fi city page, and you can see the 2C Wi-Fi account. You see it is well connected. And we're back to the 2C setting page. Next. Okay, we see our own Wi-Fi account and it's connected. We needed to input correctly the Wi-Fi password of our own. Next. And then from here, we input the device of our own. We can create it for our own password. Let's make it simple. Okay, we name the doorbell home. It's already connected. Okay, see, there is a visitor in front of your door. Okay, press the button. Okay, you receive a message from your smartphone. There is someone pressing the doorbell. Open it. Hello? Yes, we're connected. Thank you for watching.